Živijo, zdaj sem pred telimi posterji in me je navdušil Antoine Masson. Vam bo pa zdaj on več povedal, pa mislim, da je ena taka zelo fajn stvar, ki lahko pride prav raziskovalcem naših inštitucij oziroma knjižnic. Hello.
Hi.
Hello. Can you maybe tell us about this cost calculation for DMP?
Yes, so basically I work at the EPFL Library, and we have a service that explains to our researcher how to manage the data for the research. It's now obligatory that they have to provide this kind of information. And one of the information they have to provide is how much it's gonna cost to store, publish, also if they want to use electronic lab notebook to put all the experiments. So these have a cost, and they have also to calculate it. And there is no really central place where they can do that. And so we design a web app that basically looks like this if you go on the website, where you have all the different providers that can be in the university or outside, and you can calculate based on what you need. When I say you, I talk about the researcher, so they can do it alone basically, and so they can calculate all the cost and copy it to the document they need to provide for getting the money.
Can you maybe show me, because before you showed me a little how it is work on your tablet? Just maybe a quick look, you know?
Yes, it's basically like this. So you have a little introduction, and after here you have all the different categories for the data. So for example, you have active storage for the network where you want to put active data on it. And so you can, for example, if you want to store 100 terabytes, you can calculate how much it's gonna cost. And here I selected our university provider, but you can change the provider. And for example, if you want to use Dropbox, or there is many provider inside. And if the provider you want to use is not inside, you can also put in manual mode, and you can enter the cost by yourself.
Right. So this tool is mainly for the researchers?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. Do you have any feedbacks from your researchers?
We have some. It's not really constructive, but yeah, we have. Oh yeah, the tool is great. So okay, well, it's not. we don't really learn from them a lot for the moment. But it's also, the tool is quite new. I mean,
okay. So you need also to
yeah. And what we plan to do is also to have some statistic inside, and so we can see what people are using and how many people are coming, and so. But for the moment, we don't know that. But it's will come in the next future.
Thank you.
You're welcome.